Today I didn't have much money. I was broke, so I went to, as far as pocket change is concerned, so I went to the bank and just asked them for a couple $100 in tens. I thought that'd be kind of fun, and from time to time I'll just kind of do this if I don't have really pocket money to search through with you guys. And that way we can at least search something, right? I asked her for older notes, but it looks like she gave me brand new ones, so I won't complain. Maybe we'll find something interesting or worth more than face value. Anyway, looks like they're all Series 2017A. I love the $10 note, man. I mean, I just like the print on it, regardless of subject matter, but Hamilton doesn't look too bad, right? But, you know, the U.S. Treasury building, really cool building, and just a really nice depiction on the back of the notes. Also gives a lot of area for errors, so where these areas of green are, these two trees on either side, as well as around the smaller detail of the windows, the steps, you can get issues of blurring and just kind of misprints. So those are all things you want to look for. Serial numbers, of course, pattern in the serial numbers, misprints that are obvious, like shifted prints and stuff like that. Those are all things you'll want to look for. Nothing there. I mean, and just judging from the serial numbers so far, if these are indeed all in order, which is kind of neat, but not worth anything more than face value, then we're not really going to find any good serial numbers, unfortunately. Because you can just tell, I mean, I only got, what, 20 notes to go through or whatever it is, so, you know. We can just tell from these serial numbers here that we won't find anything with like a broken ladder or duplicate numbers or anything like that. Let's see. So I'm really just looking for like misprints, shifted prints, stuff of that nature. Plus, every bill search can't be a winning one, right? I do film all the bill searches I pretty much do with pocket change and stuff like that. Coin searches, I don't really film those. I've done it, to be honest. I mean, I just thought that it was really elongated and takes forever, and I don't really have a way of really magnifying, or I guess I don't have a way of videoing a magnified coin the way that I would like to. Look at that. Nice little kind of press through ink there, but not crazy enough for me to hold on to. But anyway, I don't really do the coin roll hunting on camera. I leave that up to the guys that are doing a better job of that than me on YouTube. Nothing nuts coming out there. Let's see. A little bit of some stray ink there. Super minor, though. I wouldn't say it would command anything over face value, but just give an idea of something to look for. Let me know about the finds that you've come across in your bill searches lately in the comments below. I love to hear about the things you guys are finding, whether I'm able to get time to comment back or not. I try to reply to as many people as I can. But keep telling me what you come across in your coin and bill searches. If you buy storage auctions or whatever it is you do, and you come across some cool collectibles, I love hearing about it. So, yeah, a little more splotched ink there, but nothing. It's super minor, but you can see kind of a little stray ink spot. So no crazy serial numbers or anything like that. We're getting down there to the last few notes. So I guess just kind of a goofy little fun bill search here. Hopefully next time I ask for older notes, that's what she actually, you know, or the person there gives me. But I get it. They were busy. She wants me out of there. Here's your money and go, sir. But I'll see if she just kind of handed me the envelope and I was chit-chatting away like I always do. But nothing too crazy in this bill search. Last, I think 3 or 4, I don't know if I can count. 2017 A Series. What a huge run for all denominations of U.S. Federal Reserve notes. And nothing there. A little bit shifted up in the print. You know, it's sitting a little high, but unless it's pretty much sitting on the edge or off, again, not going to be worth a bunch of money over face value. Last but not least, nice good old $10 note. So I didn't really find anything. We had a couple little close calls throughout the video. Sorry for the less exciting one. I just wanted to try something out. But I'll try to get actually used notes that are not just in order, and maybe we can come across some fancy serial numbers or star notes or something in the next video. But keep a watch out for more videos to come on coins, banknotes, and collectibles. Again, let me know what you've come across in your hunts for that next treasure for your collection in the comments below. You guys are awesome. I will see you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.